Hey friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a quick walkthrough through Ikea, trying to pick up some new things and get some inspiration for my new home. I'm going to look at two things in particular, but just to get started, guys, I'm going to get a cart and pick up a couple of little things that we all do when we're in Ikea. But one thing I love about Ikea is they have all of those little vignettes that really give you so much inspiration and show you how you can use all of their items. And they have so many things for decor, like these little greenery and a little pot that's just adorable. It's perfect for a shelf or just adding in something for a vignette in your home. First things first though, I'm going to go and see where I need to go on the map. Ikea is so huge. I always put on a comfortable pair of shoes, grab a water, and get ready to go. One thing I have to say, guys, I was so distracted on my way to my destination. I wanted to check out the bookshelves and such, and also curtains for my home. Thinking of ideas for maybe an Ikea hack for maybe a built-in, and I just really couldn't get far because it was so many different items that I can look at. Like, for instance, these are the Billy Oxenberg, or I think that's what they're called. Really cute. Problem is that they're a little shallow for what I'm looking at or what I'm going for. It would be great in maybe a room that's sort of small. Thinking about something with a little bit more, just a little bit more depth, but I really do like the way they look, and the glass, you can probably always change out that hardware, but really cute. And they have so many ideas, like this would be great for outside, and didn't even start furnishing outside my home, but I have been dabbing into a little bit of gardening. And guys, this is such a great idea if you want to think about maybe doing some container gardening. I could have really used this. I just really grab little containers and bins around my home, and this will really streamline it and really keep it a little bit more organized, even though I'm pretty well established now. But great idea if you're dabbing and dibbling into a little bit of gardening. As I go along the way, guys, there's so many things and so many vignettes that they have available that I was basically looking at. For instance, I really didn't get far. Once again, here is another bookshelf idea. It has the glass also, and it's called a Hafta. Really great. I like the way it's recessed here, and also the way they have different sizes of all kinds of bookshelves. Some of them even have height extensions. They'll have a base so you don't have to make your own. This in particular looks amazing. I would love to maybe put this in my dining room. You can display glasses or heirloom dishes and such. Just a really great idea also when designing your home. And I like the way these really look, have a nice slick look to them. I like the trim on them, and also the sliding doors. Really cute and perfect for a home if you want to do it on a budget. They also have lots of accent chairs. I really caught my eye was this really dark green velvet chair, and also this houndstooth with the ottomans. They have so many of these sets also. Like I said, really getting distracted, but guys, I have finally reached my destination. And guys, they definitely have a lot more of the Hafta. I like the one with the base that's the sliding doors. Really nice for a different look with the sort of shaker door to it, and I like the way it's a little bit more chunky. These, they don't have the glass. I think I like these a lot better, but it seems that none of these are currently in stock. So because they're temporarily unavailable, I won't even be able to use them as an option. I was going to try to do like a bookshelf hack or built-in hack that I've been seeing a lot recently, or even for a while now. Looks like I'm going to have to go the old way and build it myself. I'll probably have my husband do it, and I'll just be his little helper. But they really do have some great options if you want to wait for them to be installed. It's the same has the bookcase with the shelves with the doors on the bottom and these bookshelves on top. This one has glass. This is a smaller version. But yeah, none of these are actually in stock right now. This is a larger one with glass doors in the color white. I moved down to where they have the Billies just regular Billy bookcases, not the Oxenbergs and such, but just a lot of different ideas. They have so many different combinations that you can definitely find whatever you would possibly need, and just take your time with making sure that it's in stock, making sure that you measure and that's basically what you have to do. These are the hems. They really look nice. I like the trim on the top. I think these are a little bit more chunky, but yeah, once again, so many things were out of stock. These in particular were actually in stock, but not really on par with what I was looking for. The other reason I went was for curtains. Now, I was looking at some earlier. These are like not dark with the ones we just shown, but they have more of a middle toned. I'm looking for something a little bit more light that's going to bring in some lightness to the room. I don't want anything with the pattern or anything too trendy or heavy, just very simplistic. So I'm gonna go and look at these. I need something that's about 108 inches. I want them to go all the way to the ceiling, and this one in particular is nice, but look at the way they look. They're a little too thick. I want something with a little less of the thickness. I don't want it to be too opaque. I want more light filtering, but just enough to take the glare off, like if you're looking at TV. And these are nice, but I'm not really sure about that pattern. These are really nice. I think they have a nice look to them. They look very very light and like not too heavy, not too much of a pattern. It has some texture, and that's an option. These are really nice also. They're actually linen. They are like almost perfect, I think. And they're not, none of these are expensive, and I think I like these because they light filter, and but it would take off the glare from like a TV or something, so that would be great. These are also nice, but they're a little too thick and they just give me a feeling of heaviness. And these, I just don't like the fabric. I like to bring in natural fabrics into my home, so that's just not gonna work. And this one has like a black trim on it, so it's not really what I'm going for. I really want something that's very simple, and the valance on top of that wouldn't work. So I'm really thinking about maybe considering these. I think they might be perfect for what I'm looking for. I'm gonna go do a little bit more comparison, and then I'll make a decision. But guys, I'm gonna be coming up with a lot more videos for decorating in my home. I'm about to start a large project. I can't wait to show you guys, and I'm gonna film everything so that way I can show you what we've been working on. But if you like this quick walkthrough, give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel so much. If you like this video and others, then please hit the bell twice so you'll notify whenever I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time in the next video. And thank you all for watching.